you avoid brushing your teeth regularly? After this tooth decay experiment, you might run to clean your teeth after every meal. We will need 2 eggs, vinegar, transparent caps, and toothpaste. Spread some fluoride toothpaste to cover one of the eggs entirely and let it dry. The toothpaste could take some time to dry, so be patient until it is fully dried. For control, carefully place the uncovered egg in a transparent cup and add enough vinegar to cover the entire egg. For the experiment, place the egg covered in toothpaste in a cup and add enough vinegar to cover the egg. Keep the setup in a cool and a dry place for 24 hours. Afterwards, take out the eggs and observe the changes to the eggshells. With a pair of gloves, carefully remove and examine both eggs. You notice the uncovered eggshell in the vinegar gradually breaks down. Also, the eggshell covered with the toothpaste looks less broken down than the other one without toothpaste. Bacteria feeds on food residues in our mouth and produces acids, which is represented by the vinegar in the experiment, that can eat away at the tooth enamel and break it down, the same way vinegar breaks down the eggshell. Brush your teeth twice daily to avoid food buildup, which will result in enamel breakdown and cause cavities. Fluoride toothpaste can help protect teeth against tooth decay by strengthening the enamel. That's why it's important to brush regularly with fluoride toothpaste. Try variations by placing eggs in a cup of Coca-Cola, lemon juice, and baking soda.